Did you know that the word stress is derived from the Latin word stringere, which means to tighten? Now that's a tight fact to start us off. Stress. We've all felt it and we've all been told it's bad for us. But have you ever stopped to think about what it really is? Stress, in its simplest form, is a reaction to a stimulus that disturbs our physical or mental equilibrium. It's that feeling of pressure or tension that can often feel like a heavy weight on our shoulders. There are two main types of stress: acute and chronic. Acute stress is a temporary, immediate reaction to a challenging situation. It's that rush of adrenaline you feel when you narrowly avoid a car accident or when you're rushing to meet a deadline. Your heart races, your palms sweat. It's your body's survival mode kicking in. On the other hand, chronic stress is a prolonged, constant state of stress that can last for weeks, months, or even years. It's the stress of a high-pressure job, a challenging relationship, or ongoing financial worries. It's the stress that keeps you up at night, that makes you feel like you're always on edge, always waiting for the other shoe to drop. But here's the stressful truth. Stress isn't just a psychological experience. It has real, tangible effects on our physical health. Numerous scientific studies have shown that chronic stress can lead to a variety of physical health problems, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and a weakened immune system. It can also contribute to mental health problems like depression and anxiety. So, when we talk about managing stress, we're not just talking about feeling better mentally and emotionally. We're talking about improving our physical health, our longevity, our overall quality of life. So, stress is not just a feeling, but a real tangible thing that can affect us in more ways than one. Now that we understand stress, let's look at physical ways to manage it. Firstly, regular exercise is not just beneficial for your physical health, but also your mental well-being. When you exercise, your body produces endorphins, often referred to as the body's natural painkillers. These chemicals act as a form of morphine, reducing your perception of pain and triggering a positive feeling in your body, similar to that of morphine. Regular physical activity can help lower your stress levels, improve your mood, and enhance your overall well-being. Yoga is another physical activity that is extremely beneficial in managing stress. It combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to enhance your physical strength and mental resilience. Yoga has been found to reduce the body's stress responses and increase its relaxation response, helping to bring about a sense of calm and well-being. Deep breathing is another effective technique to manage stress. When you're stressed, you tend to take shallow, rapid breaths, which can increase your stress levels even more. Deep breathing, on the other hand, helps to activate your body's relaxation response, slowing the heart rate, lowering blood pressure, and helping to restore a sense of calm and control. Finally, maintaining a balanced diet is crucial in managing stress. Nutrition plays a key role in the functioning of our brains and bodies, and a deficiency in certain nutrients can lead to increased stress levels. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help to keep your body and mind functioning at their best, helping you to better manage stress. In fact, research has shown that these physical activities not only help to reduce stress, but also have a host of other health benefits. They can improve your sleep, boost your immune system, improve your focus and concentration, and even reduce your risk of chronic diseases. So, the next time you're feeling stressed, try incorporating some of these physical techniques into your routine. Not only will they help to manage your stress, but they'll also contribute to your overall health and well-being. Remember, a healthy body can lead to a healthy mind. Scene script. Physical health is just one part of the equation. Let's explore the psychological ways to manage stress. When it comes to stress management, our minds hold an arsenal of tools. One of the most effective is cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT. This psychological approach helps us identify negative thought patterns that contribute to stress, then challenges and changes them. Think of it as mental decluttering. Studies have shown that CBT can significantly reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Then there's mindfulness. This isn't about clearing your mind or achieving a state of eternal calm. Instead, it's about paying attention to the present moment without judgment. When we're mindful, we're not replaying the past or predicting the future. We're grounded in the here and now, and this can have a profound impact on stress levels. Research has found that practicing mindfulness can reduce the body's stress response, helping us feel more relaxed and in control. Meditation is another powerful psychological tool. It's like a gym workout for your mind, building mental resilience and strength. Regular meditation can change the structure of your brain, increasing areas associated with emotional regulation and decreasing those linked to anxiety and stress. So, whether it's a guided meditation, a walking meditation, or just focusing on your breath, it's worth exploring this practice. Lastly, let's talk about positive self-talk. It might sound simple, but the way we talk to ourselves matters. If our inner dialogue is constantly critical and negative, it can fuel stress. But if we can flip the script and speak to ourselves with kindness and encouragement, it can help to reduce stress. It's like having a supportive friend in your head, cheering you on. All these techniques work by changing our perception of stressors and improving our coping mechanisms. They remind us that stress is not something that happens to us, but something we can manage and navigate. It's about taking control back from stress and empowering ourselves. The power of the mind is truly remarkable, isn't it? A scene script. Stress management doesn't have to be a solo journey. Let's talk about the social ways to manage stress. Life can sometimes feel like a whirlwind of responsibilities and obligations, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and stressed. But remember, you don't have to navigate through this storm alone. There's a whole world out there full of people who can lend a hand or simply lend an ear. First off, let's start with the people closest to you, your friends and family. They're not just there for birthdays and barbecues. They can be a powerful support network when you're feeling stressed. Just sharing your worries or concerns with a trusted confidant can lighten your emotional load. And it's not just about venting. They can offer a different perspective, practical advice, or just the reassurance that someone cares. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Psychological Science found that individuals who perceived they had social support had lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, compared to those who felt isolated. But what if you're not comfortable discussing your stress with friends and family? That's where support groups come in. These are communities of people who are going through similar challenges. They provide a safe and non-judgmental space to share experiences and coping strategies. Then there's volunteering. Yes, you heard that right. Helping others can actually help reduce your own stress. It's a concept known as the helper's high. According to a study in the Journal of Health Psychology, volunteering can promote a sense of belonging, reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, and boost your mood. So don't feel like you have to go it alone. Reach out to friends, join a support group, or volunteer in your community. These are all social ways to manage stress that can make a significant difference to your mental well-being. Remember, it's okay to lean on others when things get tough. So, we've explored the physical, psychological, and social ways to manage stress. Let's take a moment to recap and tie it all together. Firstly, we delved into the physical ways to manage stress. We discovered that regular exercise, maintaining a balanced diet, and ensuring adequate sleep are not just good for our bodies, but for our minds too. These are the building blocks of a healthy lifestyle, and they can significantly help in reducing stress levels. Next, we navigated the psychological methods to keep stress at bay. We learned about the power of mindfulness and meditation, the benefits of cognitive behavioral therapy, and the importance of maintaining a positive mindset. These techniques help us to stay in the present, challenge our negative thoughts, and cultivate a healthier mental state. Then, we ventured into the social realm, where we highlighted the importance of maintaining strong relationships and seeking support when needed. Whether it's confiding in a trusted friend, joining a support group, or simply having a laugh with loved ones, social interaction is a powerful stress reliever. But remember, everyone is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding what techniques resonate with you, mixing and matching as needed, and creating your personalized stress management plan. And let's not forget, it's perfectly okay to seek professional help if stress becomes overwhelming. Mental health professionals are trained to guide you through stress management strategies and can provide you with the tools to navigate life's challenges. Remember, managing stress is not about eliminating it completely, but learning how to handle it effectively. It's about understanding that stress is a part of life and developing the resilience to deal with it. It's about making choices that promote well-being and balance in our lives. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep trying. With patience and practice, you'll find the methods that work best for you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep that stress at bay.